Welcome to another exclusive ranch listing from the Frank Roberts Land Team Ranch Collection. The Julian Ranch is located only 35 miles east of Dallas, Texas. This fine property features 160 acres of prime ranch land, only 10 minutes from either Kaufman or Terrell, Texas. Convenient to shopping and an easy commute to Dallas. This is a productive working cattle ranch, consistently running 40 animal units year-round. Plenty of Bermuda grass and 4 ponds for livestock. The property has pipe fences along the roadway and around the home, and good perimeter and cross fencing. It has excellent steel working pens and a very nice barn with covered stalls. The home is very attractive, brick veneer and tile roof. This home has concrete driveway, 3-car garage, and very inviting for family and guests. Designed for entertaining, the foyer is large for greeting guests. The formal dining room is spacious, has a nice chandelier, and built-in cabinets for china. The family room is a huge 20-foot by 26-foot room, Texas ranch style with real wood paneling, built-in cabinets, a wood-burning fireplace, and vaulted ceilings. Ideal for entertaining. Wet bar opens to living room for serving food or drinks. The home is split bedroom design with 2 large bedrooms on the east side, adjoined by a Jack and Jill bath. Next to the living room is a sitting room or breakfast area open to the wet bar. This room is open to the kitchen, ideal for family gatherings, and provides nice flow for entertaining. The kitchen is spacious, features nice island, plenty of cabinets, double ovens, compactor, dishwasher, and pantry. The half bath is located just off the kitchen and entertaining area. The master bedroom is a large 15-foot by 20-foot room, plenty large enough for your king-size bed and sitting area. Provides double closets and built-in cabinets. The master bathroom is very attractive, features marble jetted tub and separate shower. Across from master bedroom is the private office. The utility room has built-in cabinets, washer and dryer hookups, and plenty of room to hang clothing. The backyard is large, fenced away from livestock with nice pipe fencing, and provides a covered porch for evening tea, great layout for outdoor kitchen, grill, etc. The barn is metal, 45-foot by 65-foot, has plenty of storage, feed room, and covered stalls for horses or cattle. The cattle handling facilities and corrals are excellent, made of steel and professionally built. It is becoming more and more difficult to find large tracts of land so close to the city. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to own your own ranch in Texas. Thank you for viewing another offering from the Frank Roberts Land Team Ranch Collection.